In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove underlines from links in Google Sheets so your data looks cleaner and more professional. Start by selecting the cell that contains your link. Make sure the hyperlink is already created or pasted into the sheet before applying any changes. Now, press Ctrl+U on your keyboard if you're using Windows or Command+U if you're on a Mac. This shortcut instantly removes the underline formatting from the selected cell. Even though the underline disappears, the link is still fully clickable and works exactly the same. You're only changing how it looks, not how it functions. If you want to apply this to multiple links, simply select a range of cells and use the same shortcut. All selected links will lose their underlines at once. And if you ever want the underline back, just press the same shortcut again to toggle it on. That's it. You've now cleaned up your links while keeping them fully functional, making your spreadsheet look more